already failing. Please, I need a lot. My hair thickums. Oh. Ah! Mom's gonna kill me. My mom's gonna kill me. Mom! Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very fun video because I will be dyeing my hair from this ugly nasty brown to black. I've never dyed my hair myself. I've always had it done by other people. I've always gotten it done professionally or by like my cousin or something. So today will be the first time where I will be doing it myself. Let's pray to God that my hair will turn out nice. The hair dye that I will be using is boxed. What is this? Garnier, whatever. Olia, brilliant color, visibly healthy hair. 60% oils, no ammonia, with natural flower oils for radiant, long-lasting color. Hair is hydrated, silky, and up to 3 times shinier. And the color 1.0 black. I am not a professional whatsoever, so if you know how to do hair and you're watching this video, please do not make fun of me or do not make any comments that will hurt my feelings, because cut me some slack. I am an amateur at hair. I don't know anything about hair, but I do know how to read directions, so let's go with that. So this is the current state of my hair, and I'm not into it anymore, because look at this. I legit look like my makeup brush. Oh my god, we're like the same color. We're going to get rid of this and look, transform into a beautiful goddess. I don't know how to part and stuff, but I do know how to color. Just stay within the lines like a coloring book. So my teacher in kindergarten taught me how to color, and thank you for that, because now I can color my hair. I parted it right in the middle and I look so funny. Now let's open the box dye. I love sunflowers so much, maybe that's why I was so drawn to this box. No, but actually I saw a few people do a review on this and they said that this one's the best, so we're gonna go with the best. Okay, so it says number 2, so I'm guessing that's second. And then this one's number 1, the developer. And then what's this? Wow, step 3 is conditioner, okay. Put on gloves, snap off, and discard tip of the applicator. Oh my god, do I have 4 fingers? Oh, that's dumb. Put on, snap off and discard tip of the applicator 1. Ooh, developer. We're gonna develop some feelings here, guys. Okay, so there we go. Ooh. Aha! Okay, so it's like toothpaste. You have to, it's really like, that sound! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm already failing. Please, I need a lot. My hair thickums. Oh my god! My dog's like looking at me and he's like, "Shut up, owner." Okay. I've already failed step 1. Wait. How do I get this in here? I just followed the directions and I'm already failing. I need to hold away from face, shake thoroughly for at least 30 seconds. Extra. I'm good at that sound. Get started, I guess? Okay. Ooh. I'm just gonna use my hands because hands rule. All I do is keep complaining about my hair. Why complain when you can change something? So complaining leads to negative vibes and you get headaches. Okay. Let's just do so dark. I love it. Ah! Oh my god, oh my god. I got it all over my bed sheet. My mom's gonna kill me. My mom's gonna kill me. Mom! I'm stupid. I should have done this in the bathroom. Just keep going. So this is, I did my whole head and I'm sorry I didn't show you. I was just very quiet the whole time, but this is what it looks like now. I'm going to let it dry for 45 minutes and you will see my transformation. We will see how this turned out. Okay, so I just finished taking a shower and I blow dried my hair, did my makeup. Oh my god, I'm kind of scared to reveal myself, but dun da da da, introducing the new and improved Aliza Corporal. Oh my god, my hair hasn't been this dark since last November and I love it. Compared to that ugly brown washed to that ugly bronzy color. Oh my god, I wore this shirt already in my older videos, but oh my dear, I love it so much. Look how black that is. It's still kind of drying because I didn't want to put too much heat on my hair, but guys, I have dark hair again and I absolutely love it. I'm back to black. I'm back to black hair. Yeah, I feel new and improved. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Anyways, there you have it. My hair is now black. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed my little transformation. And as always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. And I will see you in my next one. Peace.